Hi everybody, welcome back to Project COVID 1953, our 1953 Chevy 150. Wanted to update you on what I did with the engine after pulling it out after test firing it. One thing I noticed is, because I just ran water through the radiator and through the engine, that I had brown water when I was done. So there was some rust in the water jackets. So what I wanted to do is clean that out, and the best way I could figure out how to do that was using a product called Evapo-Rust. It's not real expensive. It can be reused. I ended up filling the water jackets full all the way up to the cylinder heads, and let it sit for a week, and then drained it out, and it literally cleaned. Those water jackets look clean as a whistle. So it eliminated all of that. I drained it out at the bottom of the block, flushed it out afterwards, and then filled it with antifreeze. So it's good until I'm ready to put it in for the final time. So great product to use, especially for something like that. And just wanted to let you know what I did to take care of it. And it's always an option, especially if an engine's been sitting for a long time, and you don't want to just do it because it's going to burn up your water pump. It's going to end up clogging your radiator. You'll have overheating issues, all kinds of stuff. So you want clear, clean water jackets, no rust. So, and it did the job. So stay tuned, there's a lot more to come, but wanted to share that tidbit with you because I was pretty impressed with the way it worked. So stay tuned.